If you need to write a resignation letter in Microsoft Word, this video will walk you through the easiest way to get it done quickly and professionally. Whether you're leaving a job on good terms, starting a new role, or just want a clean, polished letter that looks well formatted, Microsoft Word gives you a simple way to create one from a template in just a few clicks. And before we jump in, if you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word launches, go up to the top left and click File, then choose New. This is where you can create a brand new document instead of starting from scratch. In the search bar, type Resignation Letter. Word will show you a variety of templates designed for formal business communication, which is exactly what you want here because a resignation letter should look professional, clean, and easy to read. Now take a moment to browse the templates that appear. Choose one that looks simple and polished with a professional layout and clear spacing. Once you find one you like, click it and then select Create. Word will open the template in a new document and you'll see placeholder text already laid out for you. This is a great starting point because it saves time and helps make sure the letter follows a standard format. The next step is to customize the placeholder text with your own information. Start at the top of the letter and replace the sample name, address, and date with your details. Then fill in the recipient information if it's included in the template, such as your manager's name, and company address. After that, move into the body of the letter and replace the example wording with your own resignation message. A good resignation letter is usually brief, respectful, and clear. You don't need to overcomplicate it. In most cases, you should include the fact that you are resigning, your final working day, and a short note of appreciation. For example, you can thank your employer for the opportunity and mention that you valued the experience. Keeping the tone professional is important because this letter may become part of your employment record, and it's always a good idea to leave on positive terms. As you edit the template, make sure the formatting still looks clean. Check the font size, spacing, alignment, and margins so everything is easy to read. Microsoft Word templates usually come pre-formatted, but it's still worth reviewing the entire page. If you need to add or remove lines, use Enter carefully so the structure stays neat. You can also highlight any placeholder text you missed and replace it with your personal details. If your template includes a closing section, add a simple sign-off such as "Sincerely" or "Best regards," followed by your name. If you want, you can also add a signature line for printing later, and if you're sending the letter digitally, you can simply type your name at the bottom. Once everything is filled in, read through the entire letter one more time to check for spelling mistakes, grammar issues, or missing details. This final review is important because a resignation letter should be polished and mistake-free. Make sure your job title, company name, and final date of work are all correct. If your employer requires a notice period, confirm that your letter reflects the right timeline. You can also save a copy of the letter as a Word document and export a PDF version if you need to send it by email or print it for hand delivery. And that's it. You've now written a professional resignation letter in Microsoft Word using a simple template. This method is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you want a formal document without starting from zero. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials, career tips, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.